Okay, I'm with Thomas Otter, who is the European Technical Manager with Hitachi Europe. Hitachi Europe has about 25% of the Scandinavian market, and that looks like it probably will increase with this new CO2 laser model that's just been introduced, I believe.
Yeah, that's right. We just have released our new laser technology to enhance our marking and coding portfolio for Hitachi, the global marking business. And this is actually the second exhibition where we present our new technology.
Well, talk us through the technology. How does it improve on existing Hitachi systems in the market?
It is an enhancement to the current solutions. That means with the laser technology we are able to process coding on various different packaging materials where we have some limitations at the moment with our inkjets and therefore this product is a perfect add-on to the existing solutions that we have.
And what kind of materials can it code onto? Most, I suppose.
We have 3 different wavelengths available, and that allows us to product and code on plastic materials like PE, PP, polyethylene, polypropylene, PVC, but also on cardboard, paper, which is the majority of the applications, on glass bottles. I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay, and these, I mean, this is a sort of a secondary packaging solution. So the coding is used for what?
The majority of applications for the laser is in the primary application area, where you have your first, let's say, unprotected product, like a chocolate bar, and you put this chocolate bar in a packaging film. So the coding on that film in the primary phase of the packaging processes is the target application.
Okay. What advantages does laser bring over the other technologies in the coding space?
The running cost for the customers is lower than with all the other technologies. The laser is mainly free of maintenance activities, and you nearly don't have any supplies like inks, solvents, thermal transfer ribbons and these type of things. So therefore you just have the energy consumption, very efficient coding with a very low level of operator interference.
So return on investment would be very good, I imagine.
It is very good. Even though the investment is a little bit higher at the beginning, but after a couple of years the return of investment is absolutely more than attractive.
Excellent. And who would be your target market for this system?
We have the food industry, we have the beverage industry, the pharma industry as well, automotive, and the extrusion industry. Cable manufacturers, these are the main target markets that we are focusing on currently.
As a general rule, the retail industry is expecting more of its coding systems and its coding applications year by year. I mean, you mentioned the pharmaceutical industry, for example, and we all know about the EU directives that are operating in there. How does your technology match up to those expectations?
Apart from the hardware solution, we have also software solutions available, and we try to follow these rules with interfaces, clever communication protocols to keep track and trace of the products, the coding solutions. So therefore, we prepare ourselves with a good software platform to fulfill these regulations and to offer at least very reliable and high quality products.
Thomas, this is basically a further enhancement of existing Hitachi technology. Do you see it being mostly taken up by existing customers, or do you feel you can develop a new customer base with this system?
Oh, we hope to do both, of course. We would like to strengthen our position in the market by enhancing our existing customer base, the install base that we have already. but also we would like to focus on our, let's say, global key accounts and the OEMs, the packaging machine manufacturers. So this new focus will hopefully bring us a lot of more new customers which are not familiar right now with Hitachi coding and marking solutions.
Well, we wish you well with that, and it is brand new at the show today.
Exactly, it's brand new, the first time in Scandinavia, and we are all very excited.
Congratulations, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Thomas, so we have here the next generation Hitachi inkjet printer, the UX system. How does this differ from the previous RX model?
The new UX model is using cartridges instead of ink containers. So that means for the customer to change the ink is very easy. You just have to remove the cartridges, replace it by a new one. It's a plug-and-play system. No mistakes possible, and it's a very reliable solution. The container is closed, the ink cannot splash off, and that's what we improve pretty much.
So really it's a productivity gain, maintenance is reduced, time between cleaning a machine is reduced. What about cost? Are cartridges more expensive or less expensive?
The price is the same. With the new system, we are now able to use the full bottle with every single drop, so the container at the end is entirely empty, and that is a higher efficiency to use the supplies. And also we could reduce the need for solvent with down to a minimum with a clever solvent saving system inside. It's a new Hitachi technology and a new patient, and we also have changed some elements at the printhead in order to be more efficient with our supplies.
So it works on an economic basis, it works on an environmental basis, it's more efficient, and it doesn't cost more.
Right.
Who's going to be buying this system?
We hope a lot of new customers, and especially we want to strengthen again our position in the market with our existing customer base. On top of that, we have developed a new software solution that it can be interfaced with the new UX series inkjets, but also with our new lasers.
Okay, and just remind us, what would be the sort of usual applications that this system would take on board?
The typical applications are in the food industry on cardboards and paper applications, but also on bottles for the beverage industry, on glass, on plastic shape of packaging materials. The ink dries very, very quick. It's a very sharp print quality. We have different resolutions available with nozzle sizes, and we can print up to 6 text lines with our new printhead.
It would print direct onto carton board.
That works, yes.
But how would you handle other substrates? It goes onto another substrate and is applied, or what? So glass, for example, how does that work?
We have special inks for these materials which are more rigid, which requires a different drying time of the ink and different adhesion features. So different ink types support these applications too.
Very good. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. And this is new here today?
It is new, and the second show where we exhibit this product, we started 1 month ago in Germany, but it is our new technology which is now available for the global customers.
Well, congratulations. Good luck with it as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.